Okay guys, so welcome back to a new video on my new channel. It's named as Black. So this package arrived from AliExpress. Let's do the unboxing of this and find out what's inside. Now I'll be shooting this video using my DSLR, and this is probably the first time I will be using it. Shit. Okay, let's go inside. And that's it. Now you might have already seen this iPega. I think it's the PG9023, and this one MCAT, forgot the model, Gamepad Pro 2. So it's a similar item but a bit different, not exactly the same. So as you can see, let's first have a look at the box itself. It says GameSir. It's a nice black box but a bit in a bad shape. I think it has partnered with Tencent Games, and this is how it looks. GameSir F1 this is the joystick grip, and it says conductive joystick, ergonomic handle, detachable swing arm, and 5-angle adjustable stand, so it can also act as a stand for your smartphone. And at the back it shows the steps. I hope you are able to see that. It gives a US address, but it says designed in Hong Kong and made in China. So let's see what's inside. Sorry, let's see the product actually. Okay, so here's it. This is the product itself. So here's the gamepad in black color. I don't think there's any other color available, with the GameSir logo here. And this is the portion where you fit your smartphone. And this is the joystick. It's foldable. You can keep it out if you don't want. You can keep it in this manner, or you can even take it out and store it somewhere and just use it as a grip. This is the back side, and it says GameSir F1. I think this thing comes out. Yep. And this acts as a stand. You have 5 different orientation. And you can keep it, keep your smartphone and use it as a stand. So that's good. And you stretch it like this, so it has some kind of elastic mechanism inside, some spring mechanism inside. Now I don't know what would be the quality of the spring mechanism inside and how long it would last, but I hope it lasts long, because GameSir is a well-known brand when it comes to gaming equipments. I was especially waiting for their gamepad for the iPhone, which was the GameSir M2, but that never came out because it wasn't funded successfully on Kickstarter. So let's try putting in our iPhone and let's see if it works. They said that it should work. I'm not sure, I would have to check the product page. But yeah, as far as the iPhone 6 is concerned, it works. So it would work with iPhone 8 and iPhone X or iPhone 10. Let's attach it. So this is how it looks. This is the joystick. Now let me just try something. This is the product page. I hope you are able to see that clearly. Currently the price is $12.79, but I purchased it for $11.79. It says GameSir F1 and it should work for let's see. Item description. It should work for smartphones up to 6.7 inch length, and it says it fits iPhone 8 Plus, Samsung Note 8 and Xiaomi Mi Mix 2. So these are the phones that work with it. Before we try gameplay, let me just show you the size comparison of how it feels compared to other gamepads that I have. So this, I hope you are able to see that. So this is the GameSir F1 and this is the MCAT Pro 2. You can see it's much bigger in size, has these big joysticks, all the buttons necessary, and feels very good in hand. And apart from that, I have here iPega PG9023. So it also has all the controls that are necessary. Apart from that, a few more buttons on both the sides. This too feels very good, and this is mainly for tablets, but I don't have a good tablet right now for using it with. Maybe in future I will have one. And then there's this is so tiny and doesn't have any proper controls, just this joystick. And if I don't know, maybe some people would prefer this thing because this would work with any kind of a smartphone if it works, while this you need it's not compatible with all the platforms and all the games. Also it uses Bluetooth, so you need to connect it and charge it, while here you don't have any such concern. So now let's try the gameplay. Okay, now let me try to connect the Motorola device that I have, and we will play Dead Trigger 2. Okay, so this is a bit thick device because of this thing cover, so you might face some issue while inserting it in the gamepad. I think it would be better if you remove this thing cover, because this thing is not coming as well. Okay, I hope it doesn't break from here. Now I'm very bad at playing games. Let's try this. Okay, seems it's not working as well. I don't know why. It works in two directions, but not going forward or to the left. Okay, now it's going there, but it's still not the best smooth. Still not working properly. Let me just try it properly without the case. Now I'm not sure why this doesn't work. You can take it, move it a bit up or down, but I tried all, but it doesn't work. It works sometimes, but it's just not working. It just refuses to work most of the times. Now it's working, but it's not that consistent. Maybe I might have to try a different game. Okay, but as far as the unboxing was concerned, I think that's it as far as this video was concerned, unboxing. For gameplay, I'll try if I manage to successfully use it, and then let's see, maybe I'll make a video or something. So that's it as far as this video is concerned, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed and have a nice day.